White roses have.
Guys, Quen TV. Amo naman na intro kanina. Kana DC na siya DC.
Mga kasuroy. Mga kasuroy. Pare-pareho na with CJ Estrada. Mga kasuroy. Legendary. Pare-pareho magtiyog. Mga kasuroy. Ang sakitin mo lang. Hello mga kasuroy. Hello mga kasuroy.
That despite of our colors, can you see the differences of the colors?
1, 2, 3. My darling, I love you, 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 I l
Ginalun-galun ako. Tapos sabi niya, mahina to. Mahina comprehension na yun. Sorry. Pakinggan natin.
Mga bright to the eye.
Okay lang.
Sino yan? Sino yan?
Oh, trial pa to? Sadya na sadya.
Maling kamot sa
City mo agree.
One more.
Pressure is there.
Huwag ka lumakis pa naman ko.
3.
Next.
Go Queen. Go Queen, go Queen.
Saan yung Purple Chalk Team Building?
Ano lang? Pwede mo join part-time?
Ya, ako mag-resume na. Yumingaw na kayo ni. Sa building.
Sige na.
Oh my God. Chismes na, chismes.
Guys, okay lang guys. Huwag mo lang istorbahan.
May lang nagkasing sa mga limang chismes.
Please.
Ay, nagataas. Parang na kami.
Ay, nalimtan na.
I have a little lamb.
No cheating! No cheating! I wish I had a dream come true. Till the day that I...
Magduha daw, Ani. Dapat social distancing.
Have yan. Si.
Ay, dapat social distancing. Buhong-hong.
Thorns and stems. Uy! Isa pa. One time. What was this? Have green thorns and stems. Green
I believe that the children are our future. Teach them well and let them lead the way.
White roses have green, thorns, baka nung tusok. And Bakit ba ito? White, green.
So, vision has...
Habol guys!
Guys, dapat tama ang intonation, ang diction, ang pronunciation, at spelling.
White roses have green stems and green thorns. Green thorns.
Dapat lagi social distancing mo Hong Kong. Balik.
White roses have.
Hala, roll ng habol, Lord! Go, Baby G! Up is though!
Ha? Ay, wrong, uy, wrong.
Okay, patonta. Umera mo.
Kaya ang next na lyrics sa Kuan, Dynamite. Full lyrics ha.
2, 1.
Hala. Laban. Unsa to may energy.
Energy!
1, 2, 3, go!
Sa'yo na
Mahug masententa.
Now we're doing the game. And this game is...
Daw na ba? Gibanggaan ko eh. Gibanggaan ko eh pa ba daw?
Win!
Okay na.
18?
8, 18, 28.
8?
Pakita ang name sa 8, 18, o
Mami.
Number 8 is?
Mami.
I-announce.
Ito man eh.
Hatakan ng t-shirt.
Night t-shirt? Alright, so na special prize ang number 8, 18 of 28. So ang number 8 is si Mami.
Asa ang 6 of 7?
That's Mami. Skip. So then number 18 is si Karin. Ano na yung play
Si Josh?
Si Karin.
Oh, Karin.
Oh. And then number 28 is
20 daw,
Blank.
28.
Wala.
20. It's 20 guys. It's 20. And it's me, right?
10!
Yeah, I won! Woo! Yeah, it's real. Unsa pa ito?
So, walay 28?
Wala 28. 26 na ta.
Unsa din?
Pila ka lang siya but yung ano,
Ayaw.
doon sa naglista ka.
Number 13.
Okay.
Oh, ito ko.
Then cut day.
So may
Kasi 13.
may price kayo. Si Karen. Lain na lang ang number.
Si Franjo.
13.
Wala. 8 lang. Number 8. 13 lang. Si John.
John.
Number 13 is si John Bacosmo. Is this John Bacosmo? Alright.
Ay, ayaw kasi may game of t-shirt. 15.
15. Si Donsky.
Sige, Donsky.
Sir Donsky.
Ang late.
So, kinsa?
Wala.
Donsky.
Nakatungutan na.
May, og si...
O si Karen. Ang late, wala yung premium?
Ha?
Ang late, wala yung premium?
Wala! Punishment!
Walay premium.
So, kinsa tong daw?
Thank you, IPI!
Thank you, IPI!
IPI, malaking tulong to sa pamilya ko. IPI,
Thank you so much, IPI!
Sam! Thank you.
Salamat!
Salamat ka pamilya.
Kamsahamnida, IPI! Thank you, IPI!
Salamat guys sa tayo dyan. IPI, no? Salamat. Master Josh, salamat ya Master Josh. Maraming salamat IPI.
Thank you.
Ha? Palapad? Wow, I like this one. Thank you, Omega, API. A liquidation. Amazing. Thank you.
Level lang. Okay.
Confident.
1, 2, 3. Yes! Let's open!
Guys, unboxing.
Unboxing! So guys,
Basura ba kita?
Amazing. Grabe.
Inay lang, ay, inay lang. Buak. Buak!
Wala. Safety kayo na kananay ulan.
Sponsored by Mandawi.
Wala na lagi, wala. Hindi, wala.
Masaya nyo lang. Dahil sa cake. Oh!
Mas kami eh.
Alright, tabla.
Yay!
Di ba apil ka sa mga
Dili.
Wala.
Stay grab from
TV ka man.
Wa kula.
TV ka.
Isa to mga 10 kami old
Ka
numbers sa
mga old
USC.
numbers sa
Except for you.
Hapit ko kuan ra ma-bribe.
9, 8,
7.
6,
Wanon.
5, 4,
Marian,
3,
musta?
2,
Hi.
Ayaw yung Migo best friend ka ng uyab sa kung.
Selfie. Come here.
We're done. Ako si Daisy. Daisy.
Ito and how are you? Pinakon kayo ka ng kalma.
3 years ago.
How's the beer? Is it still a beer?
It tastes like a beer.
Oh. Oh, no beer?
No beer.
Oh, no beer.
My mom's here.
Refreshing.
It's bad for my health.
Ika na. Cheers. Refreshing.
That's quality that we are trying to portray.
Gasolina sabi.
The next one is the group must have a selfie with Mountain View name or logo. So this is the logo of Mountain View. So each hands actually shows the unity of our team. That despite of our colors, can you see the differences of the colors? You know the differences of each culture's individualities. So iyan siya ang message aning photo. Next is each photo with Miss Margaret Sinahon, and if you can see, no freckles, natural tanan siya. So the quality of our faces. This is actually sponsored by Lux. So it's yung get to Ski 911 from Mactan. Yes, this is sponsored. So you know the drill.
Sinana siya
And also, Where's the list of our, you know?
Ito lagi na siya mag-present. Asa ka na nga ho yan eh. Mahuga niya.
So this is the list of our, so top 10 old members of BYC and the new members of
1,
BYC.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Beside the names, the list of those names, if you can see the penmanship of our very own Daisy.
Sorry.
Yes.
Muna resulta sa kang mushroom.
So if you notice, we are actually using red color because we want to make sure we want to have our own identity. As an influencer, as a vlogger, it's very important that we have our own identity. In that way, so yun sa mga just alam niyo na Team B po ang nanalo sa competition na ito.
Nagpalimpyo na sa inyo apartment ka.
Nakatog, nagtarong wa.
Wala dyan nakatog mauna.
1, 2, 3, funky. My darling, I love you, I love you, I love you, I love you.